Street photography has become increasingly popular over the last few years, with smartphone cameras allowing everyone to capture images of everyday life around them. While the quality of these images can vary, those who want to go beyond the phone camera have plenty of options to choose from. The best cameras for street photography have to be compact, yet filled with features, so you don't miss any great moments on your travels. Here are 5 of the best available right now. Welcome to Top 5 Cart. We are product researchers and testers. We test, analyze and research new products, and create a list of the top 5 best products based on price, quality, feature, and user feedback. We also provide upcoming and innovative product ideas so that viewers may know about new products. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best decision. Subscribe to our channel, where you can find the best possible reviews on a wide variety of the newest products available. Number 1. Canon G7X Mark II. The G7X Mark II is a camera designed for those looking to capture moments in the quality they deserve. It has a large 1.0-inch sensor with 20.1 megapixels CMOS that captures high-quality images and videos with a wide dynamic range. With an aperture value of f1.8 at the wide angle and f2.8 when fully zoomed to a factor of 4.2x, 24 to 100 mm, this lens equipped to capture a variety of situations with precision. Plus, take advantage of the built-in Wi-Fi for on-the-go convenience and post your images to select social networking sites or even see them on your TV via HDMI connection. Number 2. Olympus OMD EM5 Mark III. The OMD EM5 Mark III captures more light than any other OMD camera before it. With a staggering 20.4 megapixel sensor, the EM5 Mark III is capable of capturing true raw images in incredible detail. Coupled with its innovative 5-axis image stabilization system and dustproof, splash-proof, and freeze-proof design, the OMD EM5 Mark III is one of the most advanced cameras ever created by Olympus. Capture unforgettable moments as they happen with incredible accuracy and detail, even in low-light conditions or when capturing fast-moving subjects, such as moving vehicles or even pets. Find out more about this revolutionary camera before anyone else does. Number 3. Nikon Z50. Nikon Z50 features that put your creative vision first. Nikon Z50 is a professional quality camera aimed at those looking to shoot in demanding conditions. It offers photographers the ability to capture images in any light or situation. Wide Nikon Z mount, large 20.9 MP DX format, APS-C, CMOS sensor, and fast X-Speed 6 image processor are only some of the features that let users create photos they couldn't otherwise imagine. If you want more than one lens, 4K movies, a wide tilting touchscreen, and ultra-portable wide-angle zoom in your next camera, then Nikon Z50 is the answer. Experience endless creativity with Nikon Z50. Number 4. Sony RX100 VII. Sony RX100 VII is the latest offering from Sony. A camera with a stacked CMOS sensor, Zeiss Vario Sonor T24 200mm f2. 8 f4. 5 large aperture high magnification zoom lens for an incredible field of view up to 400mm and a 1MP1.0 type stacked CMOS sensor for amazing shots even in low light conditions. Get Sony RX100 VII now and create stunning photos using up to 60 times sec. AFAE calculations for extreme agility, touch tracking for more control when compassing your shots, and incredible AI-based real-time tracking for stills and movies that eliminates blurry images due to movement. Head over to Sony Store now and get your hands on one of these amazing cameras before they sell out. Number 5. Fujifilm X-T3. Fujifilm is excited to present the X-T3, a new camera created for those who demand nothing but the best from a camera. With a 26.1 megapixel X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor and X-Processor 4 image processing engine, the Fujifilm X-T3 is capable of providing incredible image quality while providing a smooth shooting experience at an affordable price point. For those looking for a compact mirrorless camera, this is your perfect match. Equipped with an APS-C size sensor, this camera can deliver up to 60 frames per second recording in UHD 4K resolution, making it easier than ever to capture every detail with amazing clarity. Make the Fujifilm X-T3 your next purchase today. We hope you enjoyed our video. Make sure to subscribe our channel and like, comment, share this video.